Here we are asked to find the rank of the following matrices by Minier method. So A is given to be 2, minus 4, minus 1 and 2. So A is a matrix of order 2 by 2. So rank of A is less than or equal to minimum of 2, 2. So the order. So 2, 2. So it should be less than or equal to the minimum of the order of the matrix. So the highest order of minor A is 2. So the highest order of the minor means a part of the matrix, given matrix. So here the highest order is 2. So we have to find the determinant value of this highest order matrix. So 2, which is equal to 4 minus of 4, which is equal to 0. Therefore, rank of A is not equal to 2. So it should be less than 2. So minor of order 1 is any element. So this is of minor of order 2, and now we are considering minor of order 1. So this is a minor of A, so which is equal to 2, so it's not equal to 0. Therefore rank of A is equal to 1. Here A is of a matrix of order 3 cross 3. So that was the previous sum was of order 2 cross 2, and this is of order 3 cross 3. So rank of A should be less than or equal to minimum of 3, 3. So the highest order of minor of A we are going to consider. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. So highest order is 3. So we are considering this matrix to find the determinant. So which is equal to 1, 4 plus 6 minus 4 plus 6 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 30 plus 3 into 2 minus 20. So which is equal to 2 plus 56 minus 54, which is equal to 4. So this is not equal to 0. Therefore rank of A is equal to 3. So here A is of order 2 by 4. Okay. So rank of A should be less than or equal to minimum of 2, 4. So either minimum of 2 and 4 is 2. So which is equal to 2. So this should be the rank of the matrix. So we are considering a determinant of highest order of minor of A is 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 is either this part or this part. So let us consider first, in first case, 1, minus 2, 3 and minus 6. So which is minus 6 comma, so the determinant value goes like this, which is equal to 0. So rank of A, we cannot determine with this matrix alone. We have to consider the other 2 by 2 matrix also. So let us consider the other part of the 2 by 2 matrix. So here the determinant value is -1 plus 0, which is equal to -1. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, rank of A is equal to 2. Here, this is for your practice. So here you have a 3 by 2 matrix and you have to find the matrix rank of the matrix by minor method. This is of order 3 cross 4. So find the order of these two matrices, rank of these two matrices. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for the further notifications. Thank you.